Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorophyll juice at home. First, select your greens. Spinach, kale, and parsley are excellent choices. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. You'll also need a good blender, a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, and some filtered water. A touch of apple or lemon can enhance the taste. Now, let's blend. Place about 1 cup of your washed greens into your blender. Add approximately 1/2 cup of filtered water. You can adjust this ratio later for your preferred thickness. Blend on high for about 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no large pieces of greens remaining. Once blended, it's time to strain. Place your fine mesh strainer over a bowl or pitcher. Carefully pour the green mixture into the strainer. Use the back of a spoon or a spatula to press down on the pulp, extracting as much liquid as possible. This step ensures a smooth, pulp-free chlorophyll juice. Your homemade chlorophyll juice is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste and maximum benefits, drink it right away. If you have any left over, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Feel free to experiment with flavors, perhaps a squeeze of lemon or a small piece of fresh ginger.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.